Let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share another 3 glam fall projects. Inspired by Gallerie, I'm creating some ideas with a Chelles touch. I hope you enjoy. To start with, I had this pumpkin that I picked up last year at TK Maxx. It was just $19. It was actually orange when I got it, and last year I spray painted it pink for another DIY. But this year I decided to give it a little bit of Gallerie magic.
I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love.
I started by sanding off any of the excess glue that I used from the previous project.
Kissing under streetlights.
I then took it outside and gave it 2 coats of my favourite silver spray paint.
Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you.
The one thing I love about this spray paint, guys, is that it gives a mirror-like effect.
If you can understand how you make me feel, I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you.
Now, once it was completely dry, I then brought it inside, and it's now time to give it that Gallerie glow. Gallerie currently have a pumpkin, guys, in their collection. It's called the Shimmer Pumpkin, and I wanted to show that I could create this here.
Let me be that someone who can hold your hand.
So basically what I'm doing here is just doing uneven strokes of the Mod Podge around the entire pumpkin. I'm then going to take my favourite silver glitter, and I'm going to add the glitter all over the Mod Podge. Once it's completely dry, I'm then going to take my trusty hairspray to secure the glitter in place. I then moved on to my second DIY. Now, Kmart Australia recently released this beautiful brass looking table lamp that Gallerie also sells something very similar. The price difference, guys, was amazing though. Kmart is just $25. I decided to add a little twist to my Gallerie inspired lamp. I took this pink dollar store boa, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue it around the entire lampshade. Taking my hot glue gun, I started from the top. I continued to wrap it around until it was completely covered. Once it was all secure and in place, I then fluffed it out, and I was so happy with how this came. I then moved on to my third and final DIY. I recently picked up these little grapes, guys. They're fake grapes from my local dollar store, and they were just $3. have something similar, guys, in a very glam style, and they're $22 each. As we don't have Z Gallerie here in Australia, I knew that I could DIY these to get the same look. I also took these outside and spray painted them silver. Now, I didn't paint them entirely silver as I wanted the grapes to shine through. I then took my trusty Mod Podge once again, and just very gently, guys, I'm adding little bits of Mod Podge to the leaves as well as the grapes. I then took my favourite silver glitter once again and dusted it lightly over the grapes. Again, to secure everything in place, I went in with 2 coats of hairspray.
Someday we will look back and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us, 'cause
Guys, I absolutely love sharing simple and inexpensive ways for you to decorate your home glam. Here I took some dollar store items and a TK Maxx pumpkin and got that Z Gallerie look I was aiming for. Guys, with the fall season fast approaching for my overseas friends and Halloween not too far away, I wanted to create something really sparkly and glam for you. When styling my glitter pumpkin, I also added this beautiful brooch from Spotlight Australia. I use these brooches, guys, in a lot of my DIYs because I love how sparkly and glam they are.
Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking it.
Z Gallerie most certainly have the most beautiful decor, but unfortunately with it not being here in Australia, I have to put my thinking cap on. I like how I took some simple ideas and I added Chelles touch to them.
I said that I needed you.
I'm really drawn to silver at the moment, guys. I love how sparkly and glam it is, and it certainly goes with mirrored furniture.
I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm delighted, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself.
I love how I took this simple Kmart Australia lamp and gave it Chelles touch.
I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars.
Inspired by a lamp that Z Gallerie have, I knew that I could add a decorative touch to this lamp. My sweet friend Karen over at the Glamorous Queen shared a few months ago where she went to, I believe, Home Goods, and they had similar lamps to this. I couldn't wait to DIY something similar.
Too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm delighted, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelles Glam Home. Guys, be sure to follow me over on Instagram. I'm at Chelles Glam Home too, and I post daily inspiration decorating my home glam. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to have a go at your glam DIY fall decor.
I can't tell what's wrong or right. Should I go without saying goodbye? All I know is I need to be somewhere else to set me free. I don't know what to do now. Need to figure it out, but I don't know how. I hope the wind will carry me and take me away to where I should be. I don't know where I belong, but I keep on searching for my home. There's a hunger in my soul, makes me keep on trying, holding on. Take me all the way, all the way. Take me all.
So don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelles Glam Home.
Oh, I wonder if there's a place where the sun won't go away.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Don't know what to do now. Need to figure it out, but I don't know how. I hope the wind will carry me